most of my family reside in Calgary in my father's side. So it just kind of made sense for me to move here, and specifically MRU because my aunt actually went here for nursing. So I wanted like someone who could like walk me around and at least have somebody in school where like I have absolutely no idea of, and especially like moving from a different country, that's like valuable to me. Like at least there's one person I'm familiar with in Canada. Yeah. My last 2 years in high school in the Philippines, we actually get to choose like which track or like which field we want to pursue. That 2 years, I got to take courses like accounting, marketing, finance, and entrepreneurship. And I also had a business in high school. So I think that was like one of the gaps that I had is like understanding my business. And accounting is the language of business. So it's a good skill to have. For me, community means like home. It's this space where you feel safe and where you could be like genuinely yourself. I would equate it to like my organizations that I've been active on is BAS. It stands for Bisaya Accounting Student Society. So in that community, like I try to spread the word about how like accounting students or just business students in general have like a lot of opportunities out there waiting for them. One of my best advice is try to get out of your comfort zone. I know it could be daunting at first, but I feel like once you move away from your home country, you get to know yourself more, you get to explore more possibilities. And I feel like that's one way to be successful is getting out of your comfort zone and meeting new people, get to know the culture of other people, and respect each other's boundaries or cultures differences. And yeah, just go for it.